Hello, Osceola County. I'm Sheriff Chris Blackmon. The safety of our community is our top priority, especially now the hurricane season is in full swing. Let's talk about how you and your family can stay prepared. Hurricanes don't just impact coastal areas. In Osceola County, we can experience dangerous winds, heavy flooding, and extended power outages. Understanding these risks is the first step to being prepared. Create a family emergency plan. Decide ahead of time where you'll go if an evacuation becomes necessary. Assemble an emergency supply kit with essentials to sustain you for at least 3 days. Your kit should include water and non-perishable food, medications, flashlights and extra batteries, first aid supplies, important documents sealed in waterproof bags. And don't forget your pets. They'll need food, water, and supplies too. Stay informed by following trusted sources like the National Weather Service, Osceola County Emergency Management, and our official Sheriff's Office website and social media pages. Reliable information is critical before, during, and after a storm. Secure your home by bringing in outdoor furniture, reinforcing your windows, and knowing how to safely shut off your utilities if needed. If you or someone in your household has special medical needs, register with the Osceola County Special Needs Registry. This ensures the proper support is available in case of an evacuation. Once a storm has passed, stay cautious. Avoid flooded areas and downed power lines, and report any hazard to local authorities. Our deputies will be out ensuring public safety, but we all have a role to play. Preparation saves lives. Let's be ready, not reactive. The Osceola County Sheriff's Office stands ready with you before, during, and after the storm.